Hello friends! August ended. This month is traditionally a lull in the network business. And during this time we were preparing updates for the Forsage community. And so from September, the last third of the year began, and this, on the contrary, is the most active time. And now the opportunities for our partners are expanding more than ever. We have faced many challenges lately. First of all, we are talking about extremely high gas prices, due to which transactions fees on the Ethereum network have grown monstrously. There are numerous haters who have started an information war based on lies, and the appearance of many fakes, copies and imitations of Forsage. But any of our competitors who simply copy our code, our website, our ideas will always be at least one step behind. None of them understood the main idea. Any of them has the opportunity to earn much more as a Forsage partner. Our community is built for members, not creators. There is no VIPs on the top. Many partners earn not worse than the authors of Forsage, and some even more. The huge turnover of the Forsage community is the income of partners. We decided that we should be independent from any one blockchain. And this is another step towards maximum decentralization. We are already launching updates programs X3 and X4, and additional programs will be added which have no analogues in smart contracts yet. The Forsage Academy will also have new opportunities. We will expand the functionality and develop the crypto decentralized ecosystem. Forsage has no admins, no chiefs, and no subordinates. There are members of the community. We will form an initiative group which can include any of you. We will publish the details of the conditions and the interaction algorithm in the near future. We have already broken all development records, giving the participants the best opportunities to earn money. Some of the Forsage partners became dollar millionaires within a few months. In the near future, before the end of the year, we will break new records. And remember, the only official site is located at forsage.io.